This is Gary High Fruit, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of my kitchen. This is all spontaneous, so we'll just see what I find and make some comments. That's what I like to do. Okay, here we are. There's my drum set. Thumbs up if you want to see my drums make it into more of my videos. We got the fruit bowl. Grapes, 2 apples, avocado. Honeydew, one of my favorite fruits. Persimmons. These are very ripe. Persimmons just don't get overripe. They just get riper and riper and soggy, but they don't go bad. Bananas. Look how spotted these are. But I can feel they're not that hard yet. I just had a couple. 3. Rice. And into the cupboard we got beans, more grains, millet, for emergencies. Yeah. Now, am I talking about environmental emergencies? Earthquakes? or well, because I'm a fruitarian, is there other types of emergencies? There are emergencies that only fruitarians have. More rice. Let's see, some is organic and some is non-GMO. Buckwheat, raw. I eat this stuff raw. Into the pantry. Yeah. Let's see. Of course, you know what to expect. Yeah, so this may not be so exciting yet. Oh, how about some gin? Now some people are getting excited. Potatoes. We've got small white potatoes, small red potatoes, big red potatoes. We've got some purple potatoes. Then we've got more big red potatoes and more big red potatoes. Now for some interesting stuff. Refrigerator. Okay, let's see. What could this be? That looks like cheese. Got a lot of eggs here. Now, at this point, you can probably guess that I share the house with a few other people. Vegetables of all kinds. Over here we got juice that I don't drink either. Yeah. All this. Who am I sharing a house with here? Who are these people? More liquor. Bottle of oil there. Other side. Dates. I think millet. So this is my side, yeah. Sunflower seeds, sesame, flax, vegetables. Let's see. This is not, all this is not mine. Let's see, we've got flax oil, organic, omega-3. It sounds really good. I don't drink, never had any of that stuff. Over here, you got more fruit stashed out of the way. That's about it. Isn't there anything else I can make fun of? Here's some sea salt. I do eat some of this. Yep, but so some things in moderation, very little in moderation. Some people say everything in moderation. How about the dirt out there? How about tree bark? Tomato paste. High raw. You just add a little bit of this to raw tomatoes. There is more that doesn't fit in the kitchen. I keep some in my room, and these cats here. Male cats. I keep fruit in my room, and usually in bags to ripen. Thanks for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up and share my videos. Maybe not this one, I don't know. Have you noticed the raw vegan community seems to be running out of ideas? We've been at it for a long time, so I'd be curious to know what the viewers out there want to see. Not that I've run out. No. You would be surprised at the videos I've got planned.